embark on a fruits with benefits journey as we explore delectable delights that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to your sexual wellness.
Let's savor the sweetness of figs. Rich in iron, zinc and fiber, they're a true powerhouse for healthy blood circulation and reproductive well-being. Now, the vibrant strawberries. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they're a delightful treat for your immune system and blood flow. Dive into the tropical goodness of mangoes. Vitamin E, beta-carotene, and a natural energy boost the perfect recipe for reproductive health. Crunch into guavas. High in vitamin C, they're your secret weapon for immune health and combating oxidative stress in the reproductive system. Last but not least, kiwi with its vitamin C and antioxidants, and dates providing quick energy and fiber. Together, they round off our fruity wellness journey.